Do not worry, little one. I am here.
Mama?
Almost ready. What's in the stew? Smells good.
Morning, ma'am. We're from Estate Works. That roof damage looks bad. We can fix it.
Yes.
We're here to help you rebuild.
The damage is extensive. We need to secure the roof immediately.
How soon can it be fixed?
We can start this afternoon.
But you'll need to stay elsewhere tonight.
Measure the west wall from the corner to the window frame.
Okay, got it. It's 6 meters.
Check the door width and the roof support on this section.
The foundation is heavily compromised here. Note the major cracking on the... And look at the northern wall as well.
And look.
Okay, so we'll start with the roof reconstruction first. We'll fix it, don't worry.
All right, team, let's secure the roof and get those tools ready.
Yes, sir.
On it. Keep it steady. Got it. Watch the wood. Almost done now. Good work.
The roof is coming down quickly. That's the last rafter. Watch that piece. Lower it slowly. Almost there, mate. Right, let's clear the debris.
The crack goes deep here, about 15 inches. We need to reinforce this section immediately.
Is it safe to stay here tonight?
Yes, we will stabilize it first thing.
Keep it tight, right there. Level looks good, boss. More cement over here, quickly. Looks much better now.
The foundation is ready.
Excellent work, team.
Looks perfect.
Line it up there.
A little to them.
A little to the left. Looks good. Checking now. Secure it. It's almost done.
Okay, lift it carefully.
Just a little to the left.
Drill it in now. Looks good, see? It's done, honey.
Look, they're covering it up. Wow. We'll be inside soon.
Keep it steady. Looks perfect. Almost done. Just the sealant now. Clean it up. Looks great. Looks perfect. Try it out.
It's amazing.
Absolutely. Welcome home. Measure 11 feet. Running it now? That's secure. Check this connection.
Keep the slope at 3 degrees. Check the connection, it's solid. Done with the kitchen line.
We did it.
Yes, looks perfect. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful.
Try it out.
Kids, look, the waterworks. Enjoy.
Look at how smooth the walls are.
Wow, it looks so much better.
Just a little bit more here. The job is done.
It looks beautiful. Can we move in now?
Almost done. Look how smooth it is. It's perfect now. Looks good. Let's keep this pace. The alignment is perfect here. Needs a precise cut for the edge. All right, looking good.
Done here.
Oh, it's perfect. Careful. Watch your step.
Look at that shine.
Wow, it looks amazing.
You did a wonderful job.
I like the new color, Mummy.
It's perfect.
We're almost ready.
Just one more test.
It's beautiful.
Let there be light.
Keep it steady there. Coming right up. Oh, it looks so beautiful. Looks perfect. Great job, team.
Mommy, look at our house.
It's beautiful, isn't it? Almost done. It looks beautiful. Wow, so good. Oh, it's perfect. Look at the water. I can touch it. Look at it, it's perfect. Wow. So fast. Almost done, just a few adjustments.
Look, Mommy, they're closing it.
Perfect, that's the last one.
Thank you so much. It looks amazing.
Look at how cozy it's becoming.
It's so beautiful.
I like it. All right, test the connections. Green light, it's ready. And success. Look, it's working.
Mommy, it's cool.
Finally, some air.
Look at them go.
Almost done, Mom.
They did a great job.
Looks perfect. It's beautiful, thank you. Mommy, it's so pretty.
The electrical is good. Let's check the kitchen.
Perfect seal here.
And the faucet pressure is excellent. Looks great, Mrs. Reynolds.
Oh, wow.
Wow, look at that. It's so clean, Mom. Can we go in yet? Just a minute, kids. They're almost done. All right, looks perfect.
All right, over here.
You.
Lower it down. Looking good. Perfect. Amazing.
So cozy.
Just right.
Wow, look at this.
It's so cool.
It's everything we hoped for.
I can't believe it's finally finished. It looks just perfect.
Look at everything, it's perfect. All ready for our first dinner. Wow, so tidy.
All right, everything is installed and spotless.
Oh my goodness, it looks beautiful.
Just perfect for you.
Oh, it's perfect. Look at the rug. It's so beautiful. We love it. Thank you.
Look at our beautiful new garden.
It's perfect.
Let's sit down.
It's ours. Look, Mom.
It's beautiful.
I never thought this would happen.
Oh my babies, it's beautiful.
Look, Mom.
We're home.
Oh my. Look at our new home.
It's so big. So beautiful, Mom.
Yes, it is. Let's go in.
We're home.
Wow, look at it. It's amazing.
Can I sit on the sofa?
Go ahead, sweetie. It's all ours. Look, the beds are ready.
Wow. So nice and clean.
Come here, both of you.
Mom.
Almost ready, sweetie.
Smells so good, Mom. I'm starving.
Just a little longer. Here we go.
Yay! That looks amazing.
This is the best first meal.
I'm so glad you both like it.
Everything is perfect.
It's so good to be home. You told the funniest story. Remember when we went to the park? I love you both so much.
Oh, this is so wonderful. Thank you so much. You're welcome. It was our pleasure.
Welcome home.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Look at our house.
It's so beautiful.
I can't wait to go inside. Thank you so much. You did an amazing job. We love it. Thanks, we enjoyed it. Enjoy your new home. Bye. Bye.
Look at your new room.
Wow, it's so big.
This one is mine. I think you'll all love it here.
This is the best house ever. All right, my darlings, let's get you comfy.
Look at my bed.
I'm just gonna fix this blanket. So cozy. You are both so special to me.
Love you, Mom.
Me too. Time to come in, sweethearts.
Okay, Mom.
Let's show her this.
I love you two so much. Love you, Mom.
Me too. Welcome home.
Is this ours forever?
Yes, ours forever.